Well, hello everybody, this is Eric, and what we're looking at here is a CBR 1000RR. This is a 2004, has approximately 25,000 miles, and it's having a problem with the charging system. We checked the battery, and the battery seemed like it was holding a charge pretty well. So the next obvious thing was to look at the stator. The stator is on the left side of the bike right here. And there's a bunch of screws that we just undid and opened it up. Visually inspecting it, you can see here on the right side, here, and here, visually those coils look very dark. So visually I would say that they got too hot. And that's normal, or at least normal for modern sport bikes. These stators will only last for about 12,000 miles if you're riding them in warm climates especially. There's a reason why you only get a year warranty and 12,000 miles usually with a sport bike. There are a lot of reasons. This would be one of them right here. In any case, what we have here is a new stator. This one costs $140. And we got it from Rick's Motorsports Electronics. We open that up, and we'll take a look at the new stator right here. This is what a stator should look like. As you can see, there's no black burning of the oil around the coil. These coils are inside of oil the whole time, which is supposed to help keep them cool, but probably be better off, putting them in the air, in the free airstream to keep cool. But in any case, that's why you can only expect them to last, like I say, about 12,000 miles, and that's if you're lucky. In any case, we're going to put the new one on here, and then we'll take a look at the charging system, and I'll show you the results of that. Okay, so we took the old one out, put the new one in, and we just put these on hand tight. You can put Permatex Blue on there if you want to, but like I say, you're probably going to be changing this again in about 12,000 miles anyway, so I wouldn't put it on too hard. But in any case, yeah, make sure you put them on hand tight, that way they won't come off. This here, I put this on hand tight, and I'm going to put some high temperature RTV silicone gasket maker on here. One thing I want to point out is be real careful when you use these gasket makers that are made out of silicone. Here's another one here. One thing I want to point out is make sure that you don't get them inside of the screw holes, that is inside of here, because the silicone is not compressible very well. So if you put them inside of the hole here, you can actually crack your entire crankcase. So word to the wise is, yeah, you can put the silicone around the mating surfaces, but make sure that you don't put them inside of the screw holes, okay? Alright, so we're going to put this back together, and we'll see how it does. Okay, we got the new stator on, and we're going to start up the bike. Right now we got the voltmeter set up on the battery, and we've got 12.43 volts, which isn't fantastic, but it's not that bad for a battery, especially an older one. In any case, when we start the motorcycle, we should get more volts than what we have when it's not running, especially at higher RPMs, and when I say higher, around 5,000 or so. So let's start up the bike and see if we can get more than 12.43 volts, and we'll see if our new stator is working. Okay, right now the At idle, we got 12.70. Now 12.8. So yeah, we definitely have a better stator. The other stator was reading less voltage after the motorcycle was started. So all you need is one of these voltmeters here. These cost about $6 at Harbor Freight and Tool. And as you can see, now we got up to 13. And if I rev it a little bit, we'll see if we can get more. Okay, yeah, so that's the sign of a healthy stator. So it looks like we fixed the problem. Thanks for watching.